Okay, for today's lesson is about factoring trinomial ax squared plus bx plus c where a is equals to 1. So, ibig sabihin, yung a natin, lagi siyang 1 lang ang value where b and c ay mga constant number sila. Okay, so bago yan, mag-review muna tayo. Let's have identify the factor of the following. Sample number 1. What are the factors of 6? Kapag sinabi nating factor, mag-iisip tayo ng dalawang number na pag minultiply natin, 6 ang lalabas. So, meron tayong 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Factor of 8, 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. Factor of 9, 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. Factor of 20, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. And factor of 50, 1 times 50, 2 times 25, and 5 times 10. So, pwede natin baliktarin yung factor. Hindi naman magbabago yung product kahit baliktarin natin yung factor. Okay, so let's have factoring of trinomial. Example number 1. X squared plus 10x plus 21. So, kapag ang given natin ay all positive, so magre-ready tayo ng dalawang parentheses na merong positive sign na na operation sa gitna ng factor. Okay, since ang x squared natin, ang kanyang factor is x and x, then yung last term natin is 21, mag-iisip tayo ng factor ng 21 na kailangan kapag kinuha natin yung sum ay lalabas 10. Okay, 21. 1 times 21. So, 1 plus 21 is equals to 22. Since hindi naman 10 yung lumabas, hindi siya yung factor na hinahanap natin. Next, 3 times 7. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. Since 10 yung lumabas na sum, yun na yung hinahanap nating factor, the 3 and 7. So, ilalagay natin siya, 3 and 7. So, ang final answer natin is x plus 3 times x plus 7. Factoring trinomial, example number 2, x squared minus 11x plus 30. So kung mapapansin natin, yung middle term natin ay negative. Therefore, yung dalawang factor merong negative sign. Okay. So ang factor ng x squared ay x at x. So ang last term natin ay 30. Mag-iisip tayo ng factor ng 13 na kapag kinuha natin yung sum, dapat ang lalabas ay 11. Okay, so 30. 1 times 30. So 1 plus 30 is equals to 31. So hindi siya yung hinahanap natin. 2 times 15. 2 plus 15 is 17. So hindi rin siya yung hinahanap natin. 3 times 10. 3 plus 10 is equals to 13. Hindi rin siya yung hinahanap natin. 5 times 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Since 11 yung hinahanap natin, so ang hinahanap natin factor ay 5 and 6. So, ilalagay natin yung 5, ilalagay natin dito yung 6. So, ang final answer niya is x minus 5 times x minus 6. Okay. Next, factoring trinomial, example number 3, x squared minus 12x plus 32. Again, yung middle term natin, ang sign niya ay negative. So, ang magiging sign natin sa both factor ay negative din. Sa gitna po. Okay. So, ang x squared natin, ang factor niyan ay x at x. Since 32 yung nasa last term natin, mag-iisip tayo ng factor ng 32 na kailangan kapag kailangan ang sum ay 12. Okay, let's have 32. 1 times 32, 1 plus 32 is 33. So, hindi siya yung hinahanap natin. 2 times 16. 2 plus 16 is 18. Hindi rin siya yung hinahanap natin. 4 times 8. 4 plus 8 is equals to 12. Since 12 yung hinahanap natin, ang factor na kailangan natin is 4 at 8. So, ilalagay natin dito yung 4. Sa kabilang factor yung 8. So, ang final answer natin is x minus 4 times x minus 8. Okay, so dito nagtatapos yung ating video lesson. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.